These two here are my favorite beach snook lure. This 4-inch Duratech Minnow, you can put on any jig head you want, and of course the RTF Shrimp, which is also made of Duratech. In 8 feet of water, they tend to love the RTF Shrimp. In about 5 feet of water, they tend to love the Duratech Minnow. I do not know why, but I do what the fish want. I use both these lures on a medium heavy rod. This Battletech here is a 72 medium heavy on a 4000 series reel with 15 to 20 pound braid on it. I don't skim on the leader because these fish, when they eat these things, it's pretty much inside the mouth right there. They inhale it. They don't just bite it. They're not hooking the lip all the time. Sometimes they do, but I'm not going to chance losing a giant snook because of skim on the leader. I use a fluorocarbon 40 to 60 pound test for specifically big breeder snook. The reason being the abrasion resistance. You can see this here is the 60 pound test. It is frayed to heck. If I had that mono, it would be gone. If you fish for big snook, definitely go for the fluorocarbon. I work both these lures the same way. I throw it out, whether it be 5 feet of water, 7 feet of water, whatever it is. I throw it out, let it hit the bottom. If you're not hitting the bottom, chances are you're going to get a lot of jacks, a lot of ladyfish if you're not hitting the bottom. If you're hitting the bottom, you're either going to get a snook or a catfish. That's just the way it is. And once you hit the bottom, don't just reel in. That's just lowering your chance of getting a snook. What you want to do is hug the bottom. Bump it up, let it drop. Bump it up, let it drop. They will hit the lure 90% of the time on the drop. Throw it out where you think the fish is going to be on points, on structure. Let it drop to the bottom. Bump it up, let it flutter to the bottom. Bump it up, let it flutter to the bottom. Today I found them in 2 different locations. One in near the shoreline, and they prefer Duratech Minnow. However, when I found them in deep water, throwing the Duratech Minnow just get me a bunch of ladyfish and jacks. If I throw the shrimp, I'm getting catfish, or what I want, a big snook. If you're a snook fisherman, whether it be hitting the mangroves or hitting the beach, these 2 lures right here will solve all your snook problems. If you're fishing the flats, I'd rather go with some topwater or a twitch reaper. But on the beach, hitting the mangroves, you can't go wrong with these 2 lures right here.